Alright, picture this. You're about to start a new video game. You get to the character selection screen. On one side, you have the knight. Reliable, predictable, follows a strict code. You know exactly what their moves are. On the other side, you have the wild mage. Unpredictable, chaotic, powerful. Their spells could change the entire game, but they're way harder to control. Which one do you choose? The safe bet or the powerful wild card? What if I told you that this exact choice is one you make every single day? Not in a game, but in the real world. Stay with me, because you're about to find out that the secret language of our universe is a lot like picking your character. And here we go. Welcome to our main quest, decoding the epic battle between structured and unstructured data. Forget boring definitions. Today we are arming you with a foundational skill, a secret lens, to see how everything in the digital world is built, from the apps on your phone to the websites you visit. And here we go. Welcome to our main quest, decoding the epic battle between structured and unstructured data. Forget boring definitions. Today, we are arming you with a foundational skill, a secret lens, to see how everything in the digital world is built, from the apps on your phone to the websites you visit. This isn't just knowledge. This is a power-up for your brain. Our mission is to meet these data characters, understand their strengths, and learn how to use them to win. Let's jump in. This isn't just knowledge. This is a power-up for your brain. Our mission is to meet these data characters, understand their strengths, and learn how to use them to win. Let's jump in. First up, let's meet our knight, structured data. This is the data that loves rules. It's the ultimate organizer. Think of a perfect Excel spreadsheet where every single piece of information marches in a neat row and column. It has a rigid, predictable format, and it never breaks formation. Because it's so incredibly organized, it's a dream to analyze. You need to find something, bam, it's instantly searchable. This is the data powering things like sales records, employee databases, or your school's attendance list. It's reliable, it's dependable, and it's always ready for action. This slide nails the difference perfectly. On the left, that is the Knight's Armory, a beautifully organized bookshelf where every book has a specific place. You need the book on ancient history? Aisle 3, shelf 2. Easy. That is the power of structured data. But on the right, that's the wild mage's lair. A chaotic, messy, but fascinating pile of notes, pictures, and random ideas. There is genius in that mess, but you're gonna have to work to find it. That is the world of unstructured data. Get ready, because this is the wild mage, and this is the data that defines your generation. Unstructured data is the glorious creative chaos of the internet. It's the TikToks you scroll through, the memes you share, the voice notes you send, the reviews you leave online. It has no predefined format. It's pure, free-flowing information. This is where the real story is. All the emotions, opinions, and context live here. But it's a huge challenge to analyze. How do you teach a computer to understand sarcasm in a YouTube comment? It requires special, powerful tools to tame this creative beast. And get this, 80% of the world's data is unstructured, and it's growing at lightning speed. Okay, so we have the rigid knight and the chaotic mage. What if you need someone who can do a bit of both? Enter the ranger, semi-structured data. This is our awesome hybrid character. It isn't locked into a rigid format, but it isn't total chaos either. It uses tags and markers to create a flexible organization. The perfect example, an email. It has some structure. The to, from, and subject fields are organized tags. That's our knight. But the actual message inside, that's the wild mage. It can be a formal letter, a password reset link, or just a string of emojis. Semi-structured data gives you the best of both worlds. Some order with a whole lot of freedom. All right, it's time to check the character stats. Let's pull up the tail of the tape and see how our heroes compare. Look at format. Structured is rigid. Unstructured is the definition of free. Semi-structured is flexible. Now, the big one, ease of analysis. Structured is a piece of cake, easy. But unstructured, that's the expert-level challenge. It's tough, but the rewards are massive. And check out the storage. Structured data lives in neat databases. Unstructured data needs massive specialized storage systems called data lakes to hold all that awesome chaos. Each character is built for a different kind of mission, right? There's no best one, only the best one for the job. So our quest is complete. But what was the ultimate prize? Why did we learn all this? Because in the real world, you are the player. Think of it like this. Structured data tells you what happened, the final store, the sales numbers. But unstructured data tells you why it happened, the customer reviews, the social media buzz, the story behind the score. To get the full picture, to truly win the game, you need both. Knowing the difference between these data types isn't just a lesson. It's a superpower. It's how you'll make smarter decisions, build cooler things, and see the world in a way that most people can't. You now have the key. That's a wrap on our data adventure. You leveled up today. Keep that curiosity fired up. Keep asking questions and go use your new superpower. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next level.